Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the PC and controller so configuration won't fail later. Plug the Xbox pad in or pair it via Bluetooth and confirm Windows shows it as a device. This prevents driver conflicts. Install the latest Pcsx2 and Visual C++ runtimes and add the Xbox driver or Xbox accessories app for firmware and button mapping stability. Once done, restart PC if prompted, because a clean device state avoids ghost inputs and makes the next steps predictable. Now configure the input layer inside Pcsx2. Open Config then Controllers and select Plugin Settings. Choose X input if you want native Xbox mapping or LilyPad for advanced features. Map each PS2 button to the corresponding Xbox button, assign analog sticks and triggers, and set comfortable dead zones to avoid drift. Save this profile so you can reuse it. Then run the pad test or a quick ROM to verify that all buttons, analogs, and vibration work. This confirms the mapping is correct before gameplay. Finish by tailoring game-specific settings and addressing common issues. Load a game and check its controller presets. Make small tweaks to sensitivity, invert axes, or toggle vibration. If buttons or triggers don't respond, switch between X input and LilyPad plugins to isolate plugin compatibility. For stick drift, recalibrate the controller in Windows or raise the dead zone slightly in Pcsx2 pad settings. If problems persist, reboot. Reinstall the controller driver and retest. That single troubleshooting step often clears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.